In this video, I will show you how you can use DeX mode on any Samsung tablet. Before we start, just make sure that your tablet supports DeX mode. After you've done that, now to enable DeX mode, just open the control center, and over here you will find the option for DeX. Now just tap on it, and after you do that, you will enable DeX mode on your tablet. Now you might have noticed that DeX mode is looking a bit different. Normally when you enable DeX mode, the UI will change and it will look more like a Windows PC. But after the One UI 8 update, Samsung has removed the classic look. And now if you enable DeX mode, the UI will look more like a tablet, but the apps will open in a window. Just like that. Now from here you can open multiple apps at the same time. Just like that. Now you can drag the apps around. You can resize the window by dragging the window from the bottom corners, and if you drag the window to the left or to the right side, you will open the app in split screen mode, just like that. And just like a Windows PC, you have the option to open the app in full screen. You can open the app back in split screen view. You can close the app, just like that. And you can tap on the drop down arrow to select if you want to snap the window to the left or to the right. Just like that. Now if you want to resize the window, just drag the window from the center, just like that. And this is how you can use DeX mode on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.